Alex's EDC Army, and welcome to Alex's Knives and Such. Here is a video that will go up tonight because I want you to see that it's 2 degrees or lower out here with a bad wind chill. I did my stuff for my Olight Warrior Mini 2 and took the battery out. The video will be up probably on Christmas or the day after. Oh, it's cold. I just want you to see the wind. Can you see the trees in the wind? This is my Seeker 3 now. The Landsy lens. I can't seem to get it on with it. It's not doing its duties. My finger's so cold. But that's the wind. Listen. There it goes. You can do it. Here's the tree. I'm braving the elements for you guys. It's very windy and snow. I love crunchy snow. I'm in Missouri, by the way. Not too far from St. Louis, where the Cardinals baseball stadium, Busch Stadium is, and that stuff. My hands are extremely cold. It's hurting me so bad. So I'm gonna head in. Just know that we have power and everything's okay, but the wind could knock it out anytime. And even with gloves, it feels like you're in a tundra. So enjoy life, be safe, be warm. Like, comment, share, subscribe, even dislike, have fun, and be warm, be warm, be warm. I'm going in to be warm and watch wrestling. Love you guys. Bye.